Year new tax levy. The town of Normal set to collect nearly 5% more in property taxes in 2025. Earlier tonight, council voted 4-3 in favor of adopting the nearly $15 million levy.
More than half of that money will pay for police and firefighter pension obligations. Council members Kathleen Lorenz, Scott Preston, and Andy Byers voted against this levy, while Mayor Chris Coos and members Kevin McCarthy, Karen Smith, and Kimberly Harris voted in favor.